In this session, we're going to talk about proper breathing technique. The simple fact of the matter is that most people don't breathe effectively. Most people will breathe by lifting their shoulders up and down a little bit, which lets some air go in and out of the lungs, but it's not really the way the body is designed. So we're going to look at how do you properly breathe and what are the advantages of that. The first thing I'd like you to do is consider the way you currently breathe. Now to do this, I'd like you to place one hand right above your belly button or your navel, the other hand up on your chest, and just breathe in naturally a few times. What you'll probably find is that the hand on your chest is rising up and down as you lift your shoulders and your chest up and down to breathe, and that the hand over your navel isn't doing much movement. That's actually the opposite of the way we should be breathing. So what I would like you to do is to lie down on your back, on the floor or on a bed. If you can't do that, it's okay to sit up, but try and lean back in your chair so that your back's on a bit of an angle. Once you're doing that, I want you to do something that's very unflattering. And that is, I want you to stick your belly out as far as it will go. Feel the action of sticking your belly out, then suck it in like you're trying to impress someone. Stick it out again, and then suck it in. The aim of this is so you can start to feel your diaphragm and some of the other muscles in your abdomen doing the work for you. So we use those same muscles when we're breathing. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to take in a deep breath. Now, I'd like you to take that in through your nose, nice and slowly, but the trick is I do not want you to move your shoulders at all. So again, have one hand on your chest, one hand on over your navel. Taking a nice, deep, slow breath through your nose. And what I want you to feel is that your top hand on your chest is not moving. Your bottom hand over your navel is lifting up. Practice that a few times. Breathing in slowly through the nose, making sure that your belly is sticking out in a very unflattering way, and then slowly releasing that air out through your mouth and contracting your belly again. You should only feel your lower hand moving, your top hand should stay nice and still. So take a few more breaths in through the nose slowly. Feel that bottom hand raising up, and then push all that air out gently through your mouth. The aim of this sort of breathing is to slowly breathe in through the nose, and then slowly breathe out through the mouth. We shouldn't be able to hear anything. All you should see is your bottom hand moving up and down. Another way you can practice this, and to make sure that you are doing this really effectively, is to put a cushion or a pillow or a soft toy over your navel. And then as you breathe in, you should see it rise up. As you breathe out gently through your mouth, you should see it sink back down again. Now the aim is a nice, soft, steady flow of air in both directions. It should take you 4 or 5 seconds to breathe in through your nose, and another 4 or 5 seconds to breathe out through your mouth. You may be wondering, why is it so important that we breathe properly? Well, by doing our deep breathing, by breathing effectively in through our nose and out through our mouth, and by using our diaphragm, the other muscles in our torso, we are creating a lot more opportunity for the air to be expelled from our lungs and for the air to go in so we get more oxygen. There is also a lot of research that shows doing something as simple as taking 10 deep, proper breaths has an immediate physiological impact on the body. So if you ever find yourself in a stressful situation, all you need to do is just pause for a moment, take 10 proper breaths. You can do it lying down, standing up, or sitting in a chair. No one else needs to know that you are doing this. Taking those 10 deep breaths will actually start to release some of the hormones in your body that will help calm you down and help your relaxation.